Hi there and welcome. It's all about pumpkin this time of year. So today we are going to be making pumpkin bread in the air fryer. The air fryer that I will be using today is a Cosori 5.8 quart. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with the dry ingredients. First, in my bowl here, I have 1 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour. To this, I'm going to add 1 1/2 cups of sugar. By the way, I will have the list of ingredients down in the description for you. In here, I have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. It's probably hard to see this, but I do have 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We'll dump that right in. Now we just need to whisk this all together. Okay, this is all mixed. We'll go ahead and move on to the wet ingredients now. We are ready for our wet ingredients. I have a 15-ounce can of pumpkin. And to that, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. And I have 2 room temperature eggs. We'll whisk that all together. Now we're going to mix in our dry ingredients that we made earlier. You can use a hand mixer for this if you want, but just be careful not to over mix it. As soon as I don't see any more dry flour, I'm just going to stop. All right, I have this all mixed. We are ready to get this into our little bread pans. The size of the bread pan I am using is 5.5 by 3. I picked these up off Amazon. They are the Cookin brand. I got 3 of them. I think they were just around $7.50. If you're interested, I will leave the link down below for you. I'm going to spray my pan with olive oil. Make sure you get your pan coated good. We don't want that bread to stick. Okay, let me move this out of the way. This recipe should make about 4 of the mini loaves, and I'm going to add about 1 cup of the batter in each one of these. I'm actually going to add just a little bit more. All right, that looks good. I will finish the rest of these up and we'll pop them into the air fryer. Only 2 of these loaf pans are going to fit into my air fryer basket. Now what I'm going to do is, you don't have to do this, but I'm just doing it to protect my air fryer basket so I don't scratch it with these metal pans. I'm just going to take a piece of parchment paper, stick it down in there. These actually go into my Cooks Essentials air fryer, but it fits just fine in here. Just don't want to scratch my basket. All right, we are ready to pop these into the air fryer. I have the air fryer set to 330 degrees Fahrenheit. I set the timer for 25 minutes. Probably about 15 to 20 minutes in or so. I'm going to take a peek at these and see how we are doing. All right, this is what I did. I added 5 minutes to the timer because at 25 minutes these were not quite ready, so I added 5 more minutes, giving us a total of 30 minutes so far. I'm going to take a toothpick and insert it in the middle. If it comes out clean, these are finished. Looks good. Let me do this one. All right. I'm going to take one of these silicone little thingy bobs and carefully take these out. I'm going to let these sit here just like this for about 10 minutes. Then I will take it out of the loaf pan and let them cool off completely on my wire rack. And then we'll take a taste. Okay, I have one of these sliced up. I put some butter on it. Jim is going to take the taste test today.
It looks good. That's moist.
I hate that word.
That's good, Kelly.
Can I have it so I can show them? Thank you. I'll give it back.
Can I have it back, please?
If you have an air fryer and have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. And here is a few other air fryer recipes I think you would enjoy checking out next. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.